The forecast for the price of Bitcoin remained largely stable on January 8 as BTC continued to stabilize slightly below $17,000. Similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency and is currently trading choppy at the $1,260 trading range after failing to maintain its position above $1,275. Bitcoin volatility had reached new lows as of January 8, frustrating both buyers and sellers. Bitcoin's 30-day volatility has reportedly reached a record low of 18.7, according to a tweet from James Butterfill, head of research at CoinShares, placing it inside the range of well-known equities indices like the Nasdaq and S&P 500. The slow decline in Bitcoin trade volumes after the FTX-induced market volatility phase in mid-November reflects this pattern. Data gathered by CoinMarketCap show that trade activity has dropped by more than 3% since January 6. This appears to be a substantial change given the coin's turbulent past during the previous 10 years. Cryptocurrency dependence on greater fool theory prevents it from being a wanted investment. Former Federal Reserve Chairman Alan Greenspan talked about his views on cryptocurrencies, the failed cryptocurrency exchange FTX, and the U.S. economy in a year-end Q&A published by Advisors Capital Management this week. Greenspan served as chairman of the Federal Reserve for a total of 5 terms, from 1987 to 2006. Under the administrations of 4 different American presidents, he held the position of chairman. He began his position as Advisors Capital Management's economic advisor in September 2016. On whether or not the latest FTX meltdown could spread, the former chairman of the Federal Reserve was questioned. Greenspan came to the conclusion that the consequences of FTX would only affect the cryptocurrency and NFT, non-fungible token, industries after evaluating the information that has come to light so far. He emphasized the significance of cryptos. The failure of FTX was solely due to fraud rather than poor risk management, insufficient accounting practices, or some aspect of cryptocurrencies themselves. Alan Greenspan, a former head of the Federal Reserve, continued, "I believe the asset class is too reliant on the greater fool principle to be a viable investment in the larger crypto world. It is weighing down the cryptocurrency market as a whole, though, and slowing the positive trend." Bitcoin cost. Bitcoin had a 24-hour trading volume of $7.6 billion and is presently trading at $16,948. After failing to close above the $17,000 double-top resistance level, Bitcoin may drop to the $16,775 support region. BTC is in an ascending channel on the 4-hour time frame, which suggests that a closing over $16,775 could start a downturn. Ethereum cost. Ethereum currently trades at $1,265 with a $2.6 billion 24-hour trading volume. The ETH/USD pair is encountering significant resistance on the 4-hour period close to the $1,276 level, which is stretched by a double-top formation. The next resistance area of $1,300 might be reached by the ETH price with a successful breakout of the $1,275 level. On the other side, if doji and spinning top candles close below $1,275, the ETH price may be exposed to the $1,245 region. The price of ETH is currently trading around $1,240, and the bearish breach of that level might lead to more selling down to $1,220. Alternative currency with massive growth potential. Several alternative currencies are generating headlines in 2023 despite the market's protracted bearishness. Fightout, FGHT, FGHT. Except that the FGHT token is paid back in advance for workout time, the Fightout, FGHT, platform operates similarly to a personal trainer. Every action is tracked and can be utilized to improve a person's metaverse avatar's stats. The FGHT pre-sale is going well, with about $2.75 million already raised. The current selling price of 60.06 FGHT for $1 FGHT may be purchased using ETH or USDT, is expected to increase as the sale progresses. Dash 2 Trade, D2T. Early in 2023, the Ethereum-based platform Dash 2 Trade will debut, offering real-time analytics and social trading data. Trading signals, on-chain statistics, strategy building tools, and news feeds are a few of the early features that will help both novice and experienced traders keep on top of the turbulent Bitcoin market. With only 4 days and 10 hours left before the platform's native D2T token is listed on Gate.io, The first of a planned series of controlled cryptocurrency exchange listings, Dash2 Trade has raised an impressive $14.2 million. D2T will be accessible on LBANK, Bitmart, and Changelly Pro as well. Although it is presently being sold for $0.0556, some analysts believe that the pre-sale price is too low given the token's potential. According to some traders, including well-known pre-sale analyst Jacob Crypto Berry, investors in D2T might enjoy gains of 10x or more. C+ Charge, CCHG. A blockchain-based network called C+ Charge, CCHG, pays electric car owners for operating and charging their vehicles. Its native currency, CCHG, is currently for sale. All throughout the world, the use of electric vehicles has increased significantly in recent years. The market for electric vehicles, EVs, has developed as a more environmentally responsible substitute for the traditional automobile industry, which has long needed change. Thanks to businesses like Tesla, Rivian, and others, people can now own EVs and take part in the green revolution. The network has already offered to connect 20% of Turkey's EV chargers in order to show its scalability. The price of one CCHG is $0.013, and BNB or USDT can be used to purchase it. The pre-sale has generated $99,850 so far.